Hey everybody, this is Jen in Black. Thanks for tuning into my channel. This video is about my newest obsession, press-on nails. These nails right here are by Kiss, so we're gonna get right into the video. And here we go, clean nails. And oh, like I said, I'm completely obsessed. So these are the nails that I will be wearing in the video. So that's one box. That's another box by Kiss. I haven't worn these yet. And then we have another box by Kiss. I actually wore these on my vacation to Honduras and they held up the entire time. And this is LA Colors press-on nails. I wore these once before too. I definitely love them. They're kind of long stiletto nails. I really like those. And these I'm so in love with. I haven't tried them yet. And they're also by LA Colors. So, oh, one more. I also have this one too. I forgot what they're called, S Designs or something like that. I got all of these at Walmart and they're no more than like $5 each. I think it's actually less than that, $3.99 or something like that. So the difference between the LA Colors and the Kiss, so I'm going to show you right here. The length of it, I really love these because the length of it is pretty long. It definitely gives you like the stiletto nail kind of look, and I think I have another video here on my channel that shows my nails or not. And this is the Kiss nail. The Kiss nail's on the left and the LA Colors is on the right. I'm trying to hold it up so you can see the difference. I feel like the Kiss nails are a little bit thinner than the LA Colors nails. The LA Colors nails are a little bit thicker, but I really like them. I think they look extremely natural. Like I went to the salon and so there's the Kiss nails. The Kiss nails are really cute too, and I definitely do love the designs. Actually, I don't really care. I don't have a preference with either or. I am obsessed with Kiss nails though. I think that I'm gonna try those on one day. I was gonna put them on today, but I actually decided not to do those. And I'm gonna do the Kiss nails because they're a little bit shorter and a little bit better for work. And please pardon me, my hands are ashy. So I kind of wanted to show you guys how the LA Colors Pixie nails look, and this is how they look. And it comes with the nail filer inside, and it comes with the glue. The glue is pretty strong, or you can buy nail glue as well. And now I'm going to show you the Kiss nails. I absolutely love these, and I don't think that the camera, the lighting that I have going on shows the real look of it. So these have two different ways for you to apply them, either with the glue or those sticky tabs that I just showed you. So today I'm going to use the sticky tabs that have the numbers on the back of it. So it comes with I think for your cuticle and a filer. So it comes with 3 other things that the LA Colors does not. Oh my goodness, my hands are really ashy. Please forgive me, people. So these are the tabs that you use. You put them on your nail bed and then you stick on the nail. So instead of using the glue, you can use that. Definitely please take the time to read the instructions. There's different ways of applying different steps, so please read the instructions and before you give this a try. This is the one that we're going to be doing, which I found that it was pretty hard and difficult to take off those sticky tabs and put them on the nails, because then it kept getting stuck on my finger. But it's another way. I'm going to see how long this lasts. It made me kind of nervous because I do prefer the glue. I've used the glue many times on the Kiss nails as well as the LA Colors nails, and I've never used the tabs before. Actually, this is the first box that has those in it that I've seen. The other boxes that I own from Kiss nails, Kiss press-on nails, they didn't have those in there, so this is pretty interesting. I'm kind of excited to do this. So the first steps that I'm going to do is I just kind of want to show you, they have numbers. I don't know if you can see, that's the number 3, I think. So you can find the matching nails better, and like I said, those numbers match on the sticky tabs. So I clean off my nail bed first with some nail polish remover. I am going to cut my nails down. My nails tend to grow kind of quickly, and as well as I don't want my nails to kind of like poke out in the bottom, so I'm just going to be clipping my nails here. Clippity clip clip. How exciting. smoothing it out. Cuticles. Look at my ashy hands. Goodness gracious. I don't even understand why I'm so ashy. Like, it's unbelievable. I do tend to wash my hands quite often, no matter where I am, at home or outdoors. I don't know why my hands are so ashy. It's a little embarrassing, but you know what? This is the realness right here. And then I'm just gonna clean off my nail bed before beginning to apply. And like I said, it was kind of hard to get the sticky tabs, so you're going to see me struggle a lot, probably move away from the camera a bit. It was pretty difficult, I gotta admit. But here you go, enjoy it. My camera died for a little bit, so I think it's going to turn off, or I'm going to turn it off and then come back after one hand is entirely done. So watch me struggle, y'all. one hand completed. Having a hard time getting it to focus the camera right now, but this is one hand that's fully completed after I struggled a bit, but that's how it looks. I feel like the lighting and everything doesn't quite show how pretty the nails really are, but it's definitely showing how ashy I am, so enjoy that, everyone. So now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do the second hand without having to cut off the camera. here we have it, finished product from dark to light. And yeah, these are the kiss nails. It should only take you about a good 15, maybe 20 minutes, but if you're struggling like me, maybe it might take you more than 20 minutes. My other nail applications only took me about 10, but this is how it looks. It's gonna cost you less than $5 for these nails. You can find them in Walmart, in the drugstores, and they're perfect for like every occasion. So definitely read the instructions in the back of the box. And yes, thanks for tuning into my channel. Give these press-on nails a try, you guys. I love Kiss ones or the LA colors. And yeah, stay tuned for some more videos like this. Bye.